Planned Parenthood is celebrating a decision by the U.S. Supreme Court not to hear two cases the group is involved in. Neither case involves abortion, but as our Washington Bureau correspondent Alexandria Limon explains, the case does explain whether patients can use Medicaid for other health care services at Planned Parenthood.
It's a victory for Planned Parenthood. The U.S. Supreme Court will not hear two cases in which states tried to block Medicaid patients from getting care at Planned Parenthood. Dana Zingizer is the Vice President of Public Policy and Government Affairs with the organization.
Really at issue here is whether patients can come to Planned Parenthood for other services like birth control, cancer screening, cervical cancer screening.
Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Kavanaugh joined the court's 4 liberal justices in turning away the cases from Kansas and Louisiana. Abortion opponents say Planned Parenthood shouldn't get any government money, but these cases aren't actually about abortion.
The big question is does a Medicaid recipient have standing to sue over the right to go to a provider?
The Medicaid statute is quite clear. Medicaid patients have the right to access care at the provider of their choice.
Gary Nordlinger of the Graduate School of Political Management at George Washington University explains 5 U.S. Circuit courts ruled that patients have that right, but one court ruled patients do not. That's part of the reason Justices Thomas, Alito, and Gorsuch dissented from the decision not to hear the cases.
The people that wanted to bring it up have said, this is what we do for a living. The Supreme Court is here in part to come to a final conclusion.
And Justice Thomas also suggests the case was turned away simply because Planned Parenthood is involved. In Washington, Alexandra Limon.